Hi kindergarten and welcome back to Math Time with Miss Corey. I'm so excited for the work we're going to do today. We are still going to be talking about time and telling time to the hour and the half hour. You guys have been working on this so much. You guys are becoming so good at it. Let's start by a few quick times. What time does this clock say? Yeah, it says 2:30. Great job, kindergarten. What time does this clock say? Oh, it changed. What time does it say? Yeah, it says 6:30. 6:30. Okay, what time does this clock say? 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. So we are so good at telling time that we're ready to make it a little bit more challenging. One of the things we do as mathematicians and as clock time knowers, is we always talk about time because you do things at certain times. Say you go to school at 8 a.m. or you have dinner at 5 p.m. Maybe you have ballet class at 6:30 p.m. Whatever it is, we use time to tell us when we are doing something. So today we're going to get some practice by reading some word problems to tell us what time we need to do something at. So we're going to get some practice reading these, okay? We're going to do some practice with the hour and then the half hour. So let us look at this first time. This first one, it says, I have soccer practice at 4 o'clock every day. So what clock am I looking for? The one that says what time? 4 o'clock. Very good. So I'm looking for the clock that says 4 o'clock. So help me. I'm going to show you some clocks and you're going to tell me if that says 4 o'clock or not. Does that say 4 o'clock? No. Does this say 4 o'clock? No. Does this say 4 o'clock? Yeah. And I'm going to glue that on the box. So now I have 4 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Okay, let's read the next one. School starts at 8 o'clock. So what clock am I looking for? 8 o'clock. Very good. Let's see our first one. Does this say 8 o'clock? No. Does this say 8 o'clock? No. Does this say 8 o'clock? Yeah, that says 8 o'clock. So we're going to glue that one down. Oopsies. Okay, let's read the next one. The party is at 6 o'clock. So what time am I looking for? 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Okay. Does this say 6 o'clock? No. Does this say 6 o'clock? No. Does this say 6 o'clock? Yeah, that says 6 o'clock. Okay. 2 more for the o'clocks. Can we go to the movies at 2 o'clock? What time am I looking for? Yeah, 2 o'clock. Does this say 2 o'clock? No. Does this say 2 o'clock? Yeah, that says 2 o'clock. Okay, and our last one. I will see you at 12 o'clock. So what time am I looking for? 12 o'clock. Very good. Okay, does this say 12 o'clock? Yeah, that says 12 o'clock. So I just got some good practice in reading these word problems to the o'clock. What do you think we're going to practice now? Yeah, we're going to get some practice now telling our times to the half hour. Okay, so we're going to tell time to the half hour. Again, we're going to read the story problem and then figure out which clock to get. Okay, so here we go. School ends at 3:30 p.m. So what should I underline? Yeah, 3:30. 3:30. Okay, let's look. Does this say 3:30? No. Does this say 3:30? No. Does this say 3:30? No. Does this say 3:30? Yeah, that says 3:30. Great job. I'm going to glue that one on. 3:30. Okay, our next one. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day. What do I need to underline? 6:30 a.m. Okay, here we go. Does this say 6:30? No. Does this say 6:30? No. Does this say 6:30? Close, but no, that says 5:30. Does this say 6:30? Yeah, that says 6:30. So we're going to glue it on. Okay, next one. Basketball practice will be at 5:30 p.m. What do I need to underline? Yeah, 5:30. Okay, here we go. Does this say 5:30? No. Does this say 5:30? Yeah, that says 5:30. Okay. Next one. Lunch is always at 11:30 a.m. What do I need to underline? Yeah, 11:30. Does this say 11:30? No. Does this say 11:30? Yeah, 11:30 is our answer. And our last one. I have a doctor's appointment at 1:30 p.m. What time am I looking for? Yeah, 1:30. Does this say 1:30? Yeah, it does, 1:30. Okay, so there we go. 1:30. Okay, so kindergarten, your job today is you're going to get to do the same worksheet that Miss Corey did, but you're going to have a mix of some time to the hour and some time to the half hour. Your job is going to be to read the word problem and then figure out the time. It always helps to underline the time too so that you remember what time you are looking for and then you're matching the analog clock to that time, okay? So I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day and you figure out these word problems because you guys are becoming masters at telling time to the hour and the half hour. See you tomorrow.